so soon.
Maganda bumili ng ganito kasi may binababa rin sa ibaba natin kaya kailangan mo na muna sila. Renzo! Meron? Dito kaya tibin
Pasok po kayo sa rooftop po namin. Out sila din na nag-moment to. Shisha na all.
Moment kayo dyan, T. Come in here. Welcome to Hilabaan, guys. Alis dyan, D.
360 camera. Oh, tama na.
Dog ka, pinaliktad, Say hi to our vlog na lang. Pwede kayo mag-picture, no?
Vlogger yan eh.
Parang pati umitim na. Makikitim na.
Let's go, Bogey, Bogey, Bogey.
So, sa nabili dito tinapain siyo. Patisan. Di ba dito yun nila ano?
Beside me till the day's through. Ever since the day that I met you, I've been with you. Ever since the day that I met you. Ever since that day. Ever since the day that I met you. If I knew when I met you, you would be my everything, baby, I would let you. If I knew when I met you, the world and everything I am into. Wouldn't trade it in an instant. Wasn't no coincidence, it's meant to be. I know you feel it, connected on another level. Spirits intertwined, write our own history, a step at a time. If I knew when I met you that I couldn't live without you, would I end all you coming through? Once again you got me loving you. If I knew when I met you, you'd be beside me till the day's through. Ever since the day that I met you, I've been with you. Ever since the day that I met you. Ever since that day. Ever since the day that I met you. Blue eyes, blue jeans, and you put on a show for me tonight. Like a nut, had your hair in a bun. Like, hey, it's all just for fun. And you're telling me, come closer, let me see your face. I don't wanna be alone tonight in this place. You know I'm working real hard, she my number one fan. 70s type of girl playing my records out of van. Like, if I knew when I met you that I couldn't live without you, would I end all you coming through? Once again you got me loving you. If I knew when I met you that I couldn't live without you, would I end all you?
may slide.
Saan?
Ay, ito lang, di ba? Ano na lang binayaran?
Sikling doon.
Oh, sakto po. 4.
Kasi,
Ano pa? Ay, oo. Ay, di ba?
Chaotic daw sabi ni Renzel. Oo ha, may nalalaman na kayong words na chaotic ha.
Hindi naman naga. Dito try mo.
Masarap. Chai.
Mitch, ikaw magbukas kasi, hindi ka maalam ito eh.
Mag-open na lang yan ang busa.
Gumagana dito.
Ako din mag-hi ka sa akin.
Hi! Hi! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy, happy, happy.
Ay, video to, sorry. Laban ko din ako my friend.
Eh, balik na siyang Maynila. Aww. Say hi. Lungkot siya kasi wala na siya sa summer. Maganda ba sa summer?
Yes, sobra.
Paki-rate. Dito na kami sa Naiya, guys. Waiting na lang. Hi! We're here. Parang nakapagkita ko na ang mga pangat. Joy. Hi guys, kain muna kami. Gutom na.
Ba, yung goal.
With the results that we have seen 2 years into this administration, we can claim that despite challenges,
Welcome.
we are
Martinez
steadily
Vlog.